Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, mag-share ako sa inyo another recipe. And actually, this is only a snack. Yes, for merienda time. And napaka-simple lang. And alam na alam nyo paano gumawa nito. Kasi sobrang madali lang talaga siya gawin. Ayun yung mozzarella balls. Yes. Or mga tinatawag na mozzarella bites. Ayan. So, hindi lang siya yung ordinary na cheese na ginamitan namin ng mozzarella. Ayun ay from Emborg. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, what's Emborg products? So, Emborg offers high-quality dairy products from Europe at an affordable price. Emborg products make it easy for families everywhere to enjoy tasty and nutritious meals. And actually, ito yung binigay nila sa akin. Nakalagay sa ganitong bag. Wow, di ba? Ang cute. Ito yung itsura ng bag niya. Ito yung itsura sa loob. Sorry, yung anak ko umiiyak na. Ayan, ganito yung itsura niya. Tapos may pa-letter nga sila. Nakalagay dito, Cook Everyday Favorites. Hello, we are happy to share this moment with you. We look forward to the exciting dishes you'll create with Emborg shredded cheese. Enjoy European quality cheese with your favorite dish. Level up your caldereta and indulge even more with your maja blanca with our shredded cheese. Serve it with love to your families. We are sure you will enjoy every moment of it. Our cheeses are made with 100% cow milk, which is surely fresh and delicious. We can't wait for you to be delighted with all the recipes you can do. There is an Emborg shredded cheese for every dish. Together, let's transform everyday meals to make it cheesy and tasty. Thank you, and we are excited to follow your work. Emborg cheese. Ayan, ang sweet nyo naman. Ako din, sobrang na-excite ako kasi lagi ko ito nakikita sa mga supermarkets. Yes, yung Emborg. And tas ngayon, nabigyan ako ng opportunity to try their products and grabe nakaka-excite naman kasi alam ko high quality products talagang Emborg. So, yung mga nilalaman na yun, nagbigay sila ng 5 mga shredded cheese. So, ito, unahin natin sa 3 cheese bake. Ayan, ganyan itsura niya. So, ito yung a tasty blend of traditional mozzarella, ideal for baked dishes and your homemade lasagna. Ayan. Second, pizza topping. Ganyan itsura. And nakalagay, a delicious, stretchy, and tasty pizza topping. Melts to perfection on your homemade pizzas. Ayan. Third, ito yung red cheddar. Ayan. Traditional red cheddar with a rich and aromatic flavor. Melts to perfection on baked potatoes and tasty nachos. Uy, sarap naman ito. Pang-apat, pasta cheese. A traditional blend of Gouda and Maasdam cheese. The perfect finish to your homemade pasta. Wow! Last but not least, and ito yung ginamit ko sa aking recipe, the mozzarella. Ito yung traditional mozzarella with a smooth and creamy texture. Excellent for classic pastas and homemade pizzas. Ayan. So, yung ginawa ko is ito. Actually, 7 ata nagawa ko. Pero 2 na natitira. So, ganyan itsura niya. Yung lang, mozzarella ball. So, napakadali lang gawin. Yung ginawa kong TikTok video, ilalagay ko na lang din dito sa end of my vlog. So, ayan pala guys. Kung gusto nyo din makatry ng mga Emborg shredded cheese na sa products nila, meron silang pa-spin the wheel challenge. Yes. You may join doon. Ilalagay ko na lang din yung kanilang link para may direct ko yun doon. Para, ayun, nandun lahat ng mga instructions kung paano nyo gagawin, paano mag-join, ayan, nandun lahat ng mechanics. So, before I end this vlog, of course, I would love to thank Emborg for sending your products. Hindi ko akalain din makakatry ako ng products nyo, but thankful talaga ako at nabigyan ako ng opportunity. And I really hope maka-work ko ulit kayo soon. Yes. Alam ko kasi meron kayong butter. Alam ko yun ata yung na-try namin before. Once pa lang. Butter pa lang, yes. Yung mga cheese first time lang. So, okay din pala siya. Iba't iba yung variants or iba't iba yung mga klaseng cheese na meron kayo. Kaya, okay na okay yan. Madaming choices. Ayan. Maraming salamat ulit, Emborg family!
Hi mga mommies! It's merienda time! I'll share a simple snack recipe using Emborg shredded mozzarella. The ingredients are all-purpose flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, and of course, the Emborg shredded mozzarella. First step, gamitin natin tong Emborg shredded mozzarella. Gawin natin bilog, katulad niyan. Second step is lagay natin siya sa all-purpose flour and then lagay natin siya sa egg yolk. And last but not the least, ilalagay natin naman siya sa breadcrumbs. So, ayan na siya. Last, of course, i-deep fry na natin siya. Let's wait until maging brown na siya, katulad nito. Grabe guys, so napakasarap. Sakto, cheese lover pa naman ako. It's eating time. It's so delicious. Good thing I use Emborg shredded mozzarella. makes my food better and tastier. Ito pala mga mommies, stand a chance to win exciting Emborg gift packs when you join our Cook Everyday Favorites contest. O diba, ang dali lang, magsispin the wheel lang kayo. So take the challenge and win exciting prizes. So what are you waiting for? Join now!
Oh my God guys, sorry pasensya na init na ako. Wala kasi akong fun today. Kaya tignan nyo, napaka-haggard na nga, pawisan pa. Ayan, nag-change outfit na kasi ako kasi nakakala ko, tapos na ako sa ginagawa ko, naalala ko, parang may kulang. Parang di pa ako nag-vlog. Ang nagawa ko lang is for TikTok video or Reels. Hala, hindi ako nakapag-video. Kaya nagpa-change outfit ako, nagtanggal ako ng makeup. So anyways, ayan. So this is the end of my vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope na nagustuhan nyo itong vlog ko. If you have any comments or suggestions, kindly comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Mommy Pammy! I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!